Well, this information will give you a real good head start for success when you're working with the luxury furs, because the nap is a bit longer. And you will get a handout in every kit like this with all the information. So I want you to know that instead of the narrower seam allowance, you'll be using a 1/2 inch seam allowance. And it's a good idea to use a stretch needle, a ballpoint, such as a size 90. Increase the stitch length to 3.5. That will help a lot. And when you do your pinning, it's nice to use the flower head clover pins. That covers the extra supplies. This information will help when you're cutting out the luxury fur. Some is exceptionally long, and in that situation, you'd want to have the free side down, trace around the pattern, and use a very small, sharp scissor to cut only the backing. If it's more of a moderate length, like what we have here, then you can cut easily both layers at once using nice serrated scissors. And that's probably the very easiest. Here's an idea that will give you very good results when you do the cheeks. The furry part needs to be the normal size. And once you've cut that out, then let's cut out one more. The backing fabric can be anything because it really won't show. And if you fold it in half and trim just a little bit off, say 1/8 of an inch all the way around, then pin these edges together with the fur, and you can stretch a bit and make it fit. And that way, when these are stitched together, it will pull the fur a little bit to the back, and you will not see this part at all. It'll give you a really nice little muzzle. Leave a small place open so that you can poke some stuffing in there and give them the contour that you like. Well, here's how I like to do the tail. I'll take a 4-inch circle of the tail fabric that is furry and use a running stitch with my hand sewing needle going in and out just like a basting stitch. Then when you pull that, you can get the size and shape that you want. Add a little bit of fiber fill into there and use your curved sewing needle to put that on.